All right, you guys, you see I'm up another 500 right here. And I might just take the money and run at this point. I did a mini boy on this one, the mini boys. And those you guys had asked about in class. Anytime you're in a trade setup and you're not very, very sure about what's the outcome going to be, or you just don't want to be greedy, you don't want to miss out on the trade, but you don't want to be greedy, then you don't go with the mini boys, you know. So that's what I did with the NAS, because the NASDAQ is the most expensive, and if it goes against you, it'll cost you the most out of all three. So NAS is the most expensive. ES is the next one, the S&P 500, and then after that you have the YAM, which is I call it YAM, but it's the Dow Jones. That's the most expensive. So that's the order of the three. Let's see what I'm at right now. So I'm up 500 and something right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take my 500. I'm not going to be greedy. Go ahead and hit that right there and be done. And then I let YAM close and do its thing. You know, I'll close out the rest of them on my other accounts as well. But that's how you do that there. You know, you just don't worry about it. Price action is going to the downside. It retesting. It's going to continue to go down. And, you know, so I'll let this little runner, that's what I'll use it for, a little runner, you know. If you keep on running, then you'll give me a couple of more hundred, you know. But if not, it's all good. I'm not going to worry about it. I will move my stop down. And I had already closed out. And for those who ask, well, hey, Uncle Pete, what about YAM? You ain't got no position on that. Boy, I've been closed that out. I took my money and ran. See that? See that dippity dude out there? I took my money and ran up off of that thing. Why? Because I'm seeing right here that there's a potential double bottom for it to bounce. So that's why I said, no, I'm good. I'm good. So I just take what you can, you know, just take what you can. Take a nap at it. Take what you can. This one, I'm waiting for it to touch right here, create that double bottom. You can also see support over here. So that's why I'm just going to let this one run. It's not going to do much damage to my account if it goes the opposite way, so I don't really care. But the big boys, I've already closed out my big boys. I got my little boy running right here, 3 little boys. I got the 3 minis, little miniatures, 3 little mini-me's. So I'll just leave this for the rest of the day. The market is, according to your broker, it still allows for you to have, and see, this is going backwards. I might close this. Take my money. Just call it a day, huh? What y'all think? But if I let it run, that'll be a couple more hundred. But see, this is where the decision is made. Love it or list it. I'm going to list it. Take my money. Take every penny. Don't leave nothing out. All right? All right, guys. I just want to show you more videos. Hey, Futures is where we are. The futures market. So we got copycat and we got futures. Let's get the money. See y'all in the next video.